Ever wondered how some YouTube channels captivate millions without ever showing their face? Welcome to the intriguing world of faceless YouTube channels. Faceless YouTube channels are exactly what they sound like. Channels where the creator remains behind the scenes. Instead of showing their face, they use animations, stock footage, screen recordings, or voiceovers to deliver their content. Just like us. These channels cover a wide range of topics, from educational content and tech reviews to storytelling and ASMR. The possibilities are endless. So why are these channels gaining so much traction? Let's dive into the reasons. Firstly, anonymity offers a sense of privacy and security. Creators can share their knowledge and creativity without the pressure of being in the spotlight. Secondly, it opens up opportunities for those who might be camera shy or prefer to let their content speak for itself. According to recent studies, faceless channels have seen a significant increase in viewership over the past few years, with some channels amassing millions of subscribers. Faceless channels operate by focusing on high-quality content and engaging visuals. They often use tools like video editing software, stock footage libraries, and voiceover services to create professional-looking videos. From DIY tutorials and gaming walkthroughs to tech reviews and study sessions, the possibilities are endless. Creators spend hours scripting, recording, and editing their videos to ensure they deliver top-notch content to their audience. Thinking of starting your own faceless YouTube channel? Here are some tips to get you started. 1. Choose your niche. Focus on a topic you're passionate about and that has a potential audience. Whether it's cooking, tech reviews, or ASMR, find your niche. 2. Invest in good equipment. Quality audio and visuals are crucial. Invest in a good microphone and video editing software. 3. Create engaging content. Use animations, stock footage, and clear voiceovers to keep your audience hooked. 4. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags to increase visibility. 5. Engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe. Respond to comments and build a community around your channel. Remember, a catchy thumbnail and title can make a huge difference in attracting viewers to your videos. Faceless YouTube channels are a fantastic way to share your passion and creativity without stepping in front of the camera. So, what are you waiting for? Start your faceless YouTube journey today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to iZaTrend for more amazing content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And be sure to check the video description for more tips and resources to help you on your YouTube journey. See you next time.